Good day guys, in this video I'm showing you how to create a professional company profile in Canva. So the good thing about this service is that there's a big community here, and things that you are probably thinking of creating have been already created by someone else. So that said, we have templates in this service which are very good. So they pretty much make your work much easier and you won't have to do everything from the scratch. So of course I recommend just using templates, and if you wish to do that, you don't really click here in the search for the designed folders and uploads. Just type in company profile, right? Company profile, and make sure that the template is ticked. All right, and in here, guys, as you can see, we have multiple various beautifully styled and created templates for you to use. So these are free unless it says otherwise. So for example, this one isn't free, this one is with premium, but most of them are free. So you just choose one that you wish. For example, this one, company profile, as you can see, and just click on it. And now guys, just customize this template. And from here guys, it's entirely up to you. So what you would of course change naturally here is the text. For example, if there's another company here, you can just replace it. If there's anything else, for example, table of contents will have to be switched. So you just choose this, all right, and this text, just delete it entirely, and now just fill it in from the scratch to make it yours. Customize it in any way you like. Make sure that the font is different, for example, too, if you wish to make it more presentable. And you can of course customize every single page in here. As you can see, there's going to be your company profile here, of course, instead of this text. And then you just scroll, add anything you wish. You can add other elements as well, customize this to your liking. And yeah, as you can see, we can also add photos in here. If you have your co-workers that you wish to put on here, you can do that. And yeah, just customize it in any way you wish. You can also, as you can see, readjust these pages. Maybe you wish to rearrange these pages. And we have the outro page. Thank you. We are looking for working with you. And also you can provide your, for example, address and your contact information. So as you can see, very easy with this template, or you can of course use others. Guys, if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.